Good morning. Buenos dias. Everybody put one thumb up. That means really good job. Two thumbs up. The other day a little boy said to me, that means oh, good job. Point to yourself and say, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I put my heart and my mind to it. I can do it. Hello, boys and girls, it's a lucy race. I love to come to this happy place where we sing and laugh and learn and play. Right there with me, here we go. Let's put one thumb up, two thumbs up, point to yourself and say, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. I put my heart and my mind to it. I can do it. I can count on you. I can count on you. You go way back, I can count on you. Everybody take your two fingers, point to somebody else, look them in the eye and say, I can count on you. Alright, we're going to sing our numbers. Every time we get to I can count on you, we're going to point to each other and do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, I can count on you. 4, 5, 6, I can count on you. For all I need to make it through. 7, 8, 9, 10, I can count on you. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Siete estás aquí conmigo, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cuento contigo. Give me a 1. You're lots of fun. Together, 2. Here's for all you do. How about 3? You give your love to me. 4. Who could ask for more? You're going 5. I'm glad you're 5. 6. Here's for all you things. 7. Your love is so heaven, and you're great. 9, 10. You begin.